Hey everyone, my name is Karan and welcome in my YouTube channel Tech Up. So in today's tutorial we will discuss how to use Power BI and its basic use and functionality. So not wasting the time anymore, let's head over to my screen.
Please like and subscribe my channel to get all the notification first.
Okay, so as you open the Power BI app, you will see the screen like this. So basically, Power BI uses the four component and maybe we can say Power BI include the four components. First one is Power Query, second one is model, which we can see from here. Third one is data, which is the collection of tables from which we can use the dash function or some calculated function. So in this table it is currently blank because we have not included any databases or connected any databases in the Power BI app, so that's why it's showing blank. And third one is the visualization. It's the visualization tab. Here we will create our views and you can just see the type of charts and views in the right side. So let's move on to the our first component, which is Power Query. So for navigating the Power Query, we can just click on the transform data. So it will move it to the Power Query. So Power Query is useful to connecting the data or getting the data from different data sources, and we will merge the data here and perform some operations. Then the data will move into Power BI model and Power BI model where we can discuss the three components. We are just checking the connecting the databases. Okay. So now okay. So if you want to connect the database, so we can just click on new source. Here you can see the list of databases. So if you want to connect some database which is not listed here, then we click on more and we can navigate to the other databases. So it is the list of all databases available in Power BI. So generally we use Excel, TextCSV, SQL, Access, and SharePoint. So first of all we are just connecting the Excel one. Okay. So it is asking for the path. So I have the sample data. So I'm just connecting it. So as you connect it, so we will see the two table here. First is financial, second was sheet. So the difference is both table. The first one is financial, so it is the form of table. So the data outside the table, it will consider the second table. But in the sheet one, it's the collection of all table and all data. So I prefer generally use the table one. So there is two option in the bottom side. You can see the load or transform. So load is basically load the data as it is in our model, and transform tab we can just change some its type and make some basic changes here. So I'm just clicking on transform data. So here you can just see the right side. It's the step. So the what change we will made in this table, all the changes are recorded in the right side. Okay, so for example, we will change a column type. So this is the sales column. So it is basically the decimal. So if you want it to change into whole number, then one step is recorded here. So let's change it from whole number. So it is asking for to replace the current or net. So we are just adding the new step. So as you can see, the new step is added and its type is also changed from decimal to whole number. So there's lots of options which we can use. For example, if our data is not having the header, then we can use the first row as header. So where it will just take the first row and make it as header. So we can use from here. Group by is used to group the all tables in some manner. So it's the basic options are available in Power Query which we can use. So and so if you want to see the coding of these steps, you can just click on advanced editor. Here you can see the code. So we are making any changes, so Power Query is automatically writing the code for us. So this code is here and we can just make any changes here to modify in code. Okay, so lots of operation we can do, like merging two columns and removing some columns, append queries. So lots of the options are available here, and we can use as per our requirement. For example, we want to split this one. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, now that is good. So as we click on, so it is asking for the delimiter. So basic function is as related to the Excel. If you use on Excel, so you can just relate it. So by delimiter, it is asking for the delimiter. So our delimiter is slash. So we slash is, it automatically pick the delimiter. So we click on OK. So you can just see it is split the column in 3 different columns. Okay. So add column is not the different, it's just creating the new column, not making the changes in existing one. So if you want to change or maybe extract something, so it will not change the previous one, it will create a new column, then make the changes in new column. Okay. So for example, we have made all the changes. Now we want to add this data into our model. So we just click OK. Here is 2 options, apply, close. So apply is used to apply all the system in real time, and close is used to close the Power Query, and apply is close, which used to close the query but apply all the step in real time. So I'm just applying all these steps and closing the window. So I'm just choosing the first one. Okay. Okay, so data which we have changes, which we made changes in it, is now loaded in our database. So we can just see the table here, and you can see all the things, and we have made some changes in sales price. So you can just see not the sales price, the column name is sales. So so as you can see, its type is changed into whole number from decimal. So basically, this is the basic use, and the relationship actually it is used to connect 2 tables by some common column. So for example, if we have the financial one and have the another one, so we will choose one column which is in both table, so we will use it as a key, and both table is connected. So for example, if you want to show the sales from this table and get other table, so we can use the sales one from the table. Okay. Third one is the report tab. So here we will create a report and visual. So for example, we want to show the sales, so we have selected one card here, and we will drag the sales. Okay, so sales. Okay, so it's showing the sales here.
I hope I have told how to use Power BI for new beginners. If you like my videos, please subscribe it so that I get the motivation to upload more videos. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.